channel Knowledge Star Continuous Knowledge Excellence. My name is Karuna Singh. In this video, we will get to know about the basic information about electrochemistry. Now our expert Professor Himadri B, Bohidar, who is associated with National Center Excellence in Agro Nanotechnology, Terry Dakin Nanotechnology Center, India. He has 31 years of academic experience in teaching and research. His area of expertise includes nanoscience and nanotechnology, nanobiointerface science, soft matter science, polymer physics, biophysics. Will explain you in detail about this topic. So, to get complete information, watch full video without skip.
What is electrochemistry? It's basically a redox reaction and study of that redox reaction, how the electron movement is taking place. Okay, so in a redox reaction, an analyte is getting either oxidized or reduced. Now, either for oxidation or reduction of a material or any chemical, there has to be a potential barrier. This is what is called the redox potential barrier. For oxidation, there is a potential barrier. For reduction, there is yet another potential barrier. These two may or may not be the same. Okay, now, if I illustrate it, suppose I have some compound or analyte which is A. In the reduced form, I'll write this as O, and when it is in oxidized form, I'll write this as O. So a redox reaction can be simply written by the reduced form of A is related to the oxidized form of A through the release or absorbance of n number of electrons. This plus minus and E, n number of electrons E. Depending on whether this is plus or minus, the reaction is either an oxidation reaction or a reduction reaction.
Wait. Are you worried about your project, training, dissertation, internship? Don't think too much, because Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, in short NSTC, is giving you a golden opportunity to do the same tasks. NSTC also conducts workshops on amazing topics. So if you want to register in the workshop, the registration link is given in the description box below, or you may go to the website www.nanoschool.in, where you can easily enroll in the workshops. So just check it out right now.
Realize that suppose we are doing an oxidation reaction. In that case, R goes to O plus Ne. So n number of electrons are produced here. Now, if I am able to capture these electrons, then the electrons are basically nothing but they create a current when they pass through a conductor. So if I have an electrode and I capture these electrons, the electrons will flow through the electrode, give rise to a measurable current. Then what we have in principle is an electrolytic cell. And this current measurement is done by a technique which is called the cyclic voltammetry. Okay, so this is in this slide, all the information you need to know, the basic information you know about electrochemistry and cyclic voltammetry is given here in this one slide only. And realize that this is a very important technique for detection of a wide variety of analytes. It can be neurotransmitter, cancer biomarkers, pesticide, heavy metals, pathogens, biomolecules, peptides, many different things, because most of these, they undergo this reaction, okay? Thereby, they're producing free electrons, which are measured as a current in a cyclic voltammetry experiment.
I hope you liked this video. Here, I would like to give you an important information that Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, or NSTC, organize the nanotechnology workshops on very interesting topics. Also, I would like to tell you about the initiatives of NSTC in which you can also be a part of. Mentorship, patent commercialization, joint product development, research projects, consultancy services, nanomaterials for your research projects, training programs or customized training programs, workshops or customized workshops. So yes, that's all. And yes, there is one more thing, that if anybody wants the recording of the previous video, then they can contact us on info@nstc.in. Further, if you want to enroll in the upcoming workshop, so you can go to the website www.nanoschool.in. Further, I would like to tell you that if you want to see these type of videos on this channel, so please do subscribe to the channel and please do comment. We will definitely reach out to you. Thank you.
For more updates,
subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.